Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube. So I am going to be doing these blue glitter nails, and this was such a random set, but they ended up being kind of cute. So I'm using these tips. I got these tips from I cannot remember the name, but I will have it in the description. Also, if you go back a little bit, the name is on the box. And I'm going to be prepping my nails, which I've already done the prep. I normally do my prep off camera. I added some Protien Bond by Young Nails, which is what you saw on the screen. Now I'm going to be using some acrylic, and this acrylic is by Sugar and Cream in the color Custard. So this color is going to go on all of my nails, and then I will be back with the next step. So I've added that color to all the nails. So now I'm going to just go in and smooth my nails out with this nail file. I always use a 80/80 grit nail file. I just feel like it's quickest, it gets me the results fast, and it's just very sharp. It makes my shape very precise. So I get these nail files off of Amazon, and they come in like a pack of 10 for like $10 or something like that. But I've been using these nail files for a long time, and they just get the job done for me. So I do recommend them. But yeah, as you can see, I just take the nail file and just go over the nail in a back and forth motion, and that is really, I think, the most important step when it comes to making sure your nails are smooth and not really have any lumps or bumps in them. So yeah, I do recommend this nail file. After the filing and making sure my shape is good to go, I always go in with a nail drill, which I don't have a clip of that. But in my next video, I will try to make sure I include the drilling process, because I think it's been a while since you guys have seen that. But yeah, I am just going, like I said, back and forth, making sure my nails are smooth, because you always want to work with smooth nails. I think that is also, it plays a big part in the way your set looks at the end. So yeah, so that's my shape, and now I'm going to be using this blue glitter and then this blue gel. But before I do that, I'm taking this VanessaNailz matte top coat and I'm going to put it on my thumbnail, because I wanted to try it out first before I did it on all of the nails, just in case I messed up. It came out pretty fine. So I'm using a blue gel color, and I'm using this nail art brush to kind of draw a French, and this is going to be the base before I pour the glitter on there. And I could have probably used clear or a white, but I didn't want to use clear because I wanted to actually see the French, and then white just didn't feel right, so I decided to go with blue, just in case. I didn't know if it was going to show up or anything. So before you dry that, you don't put it in the light. You will use anything you have to pour glitter on the wet gel first. And also a very important step is I would make sure that you clean the sides, because once you dry this in the light, it's gonna be stuck, and then that way, and then you might mess up your shape. So just make sure you clean the sides before you dry it. Don't worry about brushing it off yet, because you'll do that once it finishes. So that's what I just did on the screen. I made sure that I cleaned the sides, and now that it's finished drying, then I take my little fan brush and clean up the extra glitter. So now you'll see me do the matte coat on all of the rest of the nails, and then now I'm going to do a blue French on the nails, and I'm going to repeat the same process and pour glitter before I dry it. And then once I dry it, I'm going to take it out and dust away the extra glitter, and then you have your glitter French with the sugar look. Very simple, easier than it looks. And I'm going to add some crystals, but I'll be back in a second. You don't have to add any clear except for on the ring finger, because I'm going to do crystals on that finger. But other than that, you're pretty much finished, and I pretty much can, I guess, end the voiceover here, because the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. So let me know if you try this look out. I had a lot of fun doing this. I'd never really do things like this, so this was really interesting for me. But I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.